وَمِمَّنْ خَلَقْنَا أُمَّةٌ يَهْدُونَ بِالْحَقِّ وَبِهِ يَعْدِلُونَ.
And of those whom we have created, there's a party who guide people through the truth and act justly according to it.
وَالَّذِينَ كَذَّبُوا بِآيَاتِنَا سَنَسْتَدْرِجُهُمْ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
As for those who reject our signs as false, we shall lead them step by step to their ruin without their even perceiving it.
وَأُمْلِي لَهُمْ إِنَّ كَيْدِي مَتِينٌ.
And for this purpose I shall grant them respite. My design is incontrovertible.
أَوَلَمْ يَتَفَكَّرُوا مَا بِصَاحِبِهِمْ مِنْ جِنَّةٍ إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا نَذِيرٌ مُبِينٌ.
Have they not pondered that their companion, that is the Prophet Muhammad, is not afflicted with insanity? He is only a plain warner.
أَوَلَمْ يَنْظُرُوا فِي مَلَكُوتِ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَمَا خَلَقَ اللَّهُ مِنْ شَيْءٍ وَأَنْ عَسَى أَنْ يَكُونَ قَدِ اقْتَرَبَ أَجَلُهُمْ فَبِأَيِّ حَدِيثٍ بَعْدَهُ يُؤْمِنُونَ.
Have they not observed the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and all that Allah has created, and that their term of life might have drawn near? After this warning from the Prophet, what will it be that will make them believe?
مَن يُضْلِلِ اللَّهُ فَلَا هَادِيَ لَهُ وَيَذَرُهُمْ فِي طُغْيَانِهِمْ يَعْمَهُونَ.
For those whom Allah lets go astray, there's no guide, and He will leave them to stumble blindly in their transgression.
يَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ السَّاعَةِ أَيَّانَ مُرْسَاهَا قُلْ إِنَّمَا عِلْمُهَا عِندَ رَبِّي لَا يُجَلِّيهَا لِوَقْتِهَا إِلَّا هُوَ ثَقُلَتْ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ لَا تَأْتِيكُمْ إِلَّا بَغْتَةً يَسْأَلُونَكَ كَأَنَّكَ حَفِيٌّ عَنْهَا قُلْ إِنَّمَا عِلْمُهَا عِندَ اللَّهِ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
They ask you concerning the hour, when will its coming be? Say, the knowledge of it is with my Lord alone. None but He will disclose it at its time. That will weigh heavily on the heavens and the earth, and it shall come upon you all too suddenly. They ask you as if you are eagerly inquisitive about it. Say to them, the knowledge of it lies with none except Allah, but most people are unaware of this reality.
قُلْ لَا أَمْلِكُ لِنَفْسِي نَفْعًا وَلَا ضَرًّا إِلَّا مَا شَاءَ اللَّهُ وَلَوْ كُنْتُ أَعْلَمُ الْغَيْبَ لَاسْتَكْثَرْتُ مِنَ الْخَيْرِ وَمَا مَسَّنِيَ السُّوءُ إِنْ أَنَا إِلَّا نَذِيرٌ وَبَشِيرٌ لِقَوْمٍ يُؤْمِنُونَ.
Tell them, O Muhammad, I have no power to benefit or harm myself except as Allah may please. And had I knowledge of the unseen, I should have amassed all kinds of good, and no evil would have ever touched me. I am merely a warner and the herald of glad tidings to those who have faith.
هو الذي خلقكم من نفس واحدة وجعل منها زوجها ليسكن إليها فلما تغشاها حملت حملا خفيفا فمرت به فلما أثقلت دعوا الله ربهما لئن آتيتنا صالحا لنكونن من الشاكرين.
It is He, Allah, who created you from a single being, and out of it He made its mate, that He may find comfort in her. And when He covers her, she bears a light burden and goes about with it. Then, when she grows heavy, they pray to their Lord, "If you bestow upon us a healthy child, we will surely give thanks."
فلما آتاهما صالحا جعلا له شركاء فيما آتاهما فتعالى الله عما يشركون.
But when He bestows upon them a healthy child, they attribute to Him partners in what Allah had bestowed upon them. Exalted is Allah above that which they associate with Him.
أيشركون ما لا يخلق شيئا وهم يخلقون.
Do they associate with Allah in His divinity those who can create nothing? Rather, they themselves are created.
ولا يستطيعون لهم نصرا ولا أنفسهم ينصرون.
They have no power to help others, nor can they help themselves.
وإن تدعوهم إلى الهدى لا يتبعوكم سواء عليكم أدعوتموهم أم أنتم صامتون.
And if you call them to true guidance, they will not follow you. It is all the same for you whether you call them to true guidance or keep silent.
إن الذين تدعون من دون الله عباد أمثالكم فادعوهم فليستجيبوا لكم إن كنتم صادقين.
Those whom you invoke other than Allah are creatures like you. So invoke them and see if they answer your call, if what you claim is true.
ألهم أرجل يمشون بها أم لهم أيدي يبطشون بها أم لهم أعين يبصرون بها أم لهم آذان يسمعون بها قل ادعوا شركاءكم ثم كيدون فلا تنظرون.
Have they feet on which they can walk? Have they hands with which they can grasp? Have they eyes with which they can see? Have they ears with which they can hear? Say, O Muhammad, invoke all those to whom you ascribe a share in Allah's divinity, then scheme against me and grant me no respite.
إن وليي الله الذي نزل الكتاب وهو يتولى الصالحين.
My guardian is Allah, who has revealed the book, and it is He who protects the righteous.
والذين تدعون من دونه لا يستطيعون نصركم ولا أنفسهم ينصرون.
Those whom you invoke other than Allah, they can neither help themselves nor you.
وإن تدعوهم إلى الهدى لا يسمعوا وتراهم ينظرون إليك وهم لا يبصرون.
If you were to call them to true guidance, they will not hear, and you observe them looking at you, whereas they have no power to see.
خذ العفو وأمر بالعرف وأعرض عن الجاهلين.
O Prophet, show forgiveness, enjoin what is good, and avoid the ignorant.
وَإِمَّا يَنزَغَنَّكَ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ نَزْغٌ فَاسْتَعِذْ بِاللَّهِ إِنَّهُ سَمِيعٌ عَلِيمٌ.
And if it happens that a prompting from Satan should stir you up, seek refuge with Allah. He is all-hearing, all-knowing.
إن الذين اتقوا إذا مسهم طائف من الشيطان تذكروا فإذا هم مبصرون.
If the God-fearing are instigated by any suggestion of Satan, they instantly become alert, whereafter they clearly perceive the right way.
وإخوانهم يمدونهم في الغي ثم لا يقصرون.
As for their brethren, the Satans, they draw them deeper into error and do not relax in their efforts.
وإذا لم تأتهم بآية قالوا لولا اجتبيتها قل إنما أتبع ما يوحى إلي من ربي هذا بصائر من ربكم وهدى ورحمة لقوم يؤمنون.
O Prophet, when you do not produce before them any miracle, they say, why do you not choose for yourself a miracle? Say to them, I follow only what is revealed to me by my Lord. This is nothing but a means of insight into the truth and guidance and mercy from your Lord to the people who believe.
وَإِذَا قُرِئَ الْقُرْآنُ فَاسْتَمِعُوا لَهُ وَأَنصِتُوا لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ.
So when the Quran is recited, listen carefully to it and keep silent so that you may be shown mercy.
واذكر ربك في نفسك تضرعا وخيفة ودون الجهر من القول بالغدو والآصال ولا تكن من الغافلين.
And remember, O Prophet, your Lord in your heart with humility and fear, and without raising your voice, remember Him in the morning and evening, and do not become of those who are negligent.
إن الذين عند ربك لا يستكبرون عن عبادته ويسبحونه وله يسجدون.
The angels who are near to your Lord never turn away from His service out of arrogance. They rather glorify Him and prostrate themselves before Him.